97% of skin advice is designed to keep you buying products, not fixing your face. If you've tried everything and your skin still looks like crap, this video will change that. Problem 1. Acne that won't go away. You've tried every cream, every face wash, every miracle product. Nothing works. Here's why. You're treating acne like it's a surface problem when it's actually coming from inside your body. What you're doing wrong. You're eating foods that spike your insulin. Dairy, sugar, and refined carbs are the biggest culprits. Every time you drink milk or eat a bowl of cereal, your insulin shoots up. That triggers your body to produce more sebum, the oil that clogs your pores. Here's the fix. Cut out dairy completely for 30 days. No milk, no cheese, no whey protein. Cut the sugar, no sodas, no candy, no processed snacks. Eat whole foods, lean meats, vegetables, healthy fats. Within 3 weeks, your breakouts will slow down dramatically. Your skin will stop producing excess oil, and the inflammation will drop. Problem 2. Blackheads and clogged pores. Those little black dots on your nose and chin aren't dirt. They're oxidized oil trapped in your pores. And squeezing them out? That's making it worse. What you're doing wrong. You're either overwashing your face or using the wrong products. Most guys think scrubbing harder will clean deeper. Wrong. Harsh scrubs and hot water strip your skin, which makes it produce even more oil to compensate. Here's the fix. Use a BHA exfoliant like salicylic acid twice a week. It penetrates deep into your pores and dissolves the oil and dead skin clogging them. Follow up with a clay mask once a week. Clay pulls out impurities and tightens your pores. Do this consistently, and your blackheads will disappear. Problem 3. Dark circles and eye bags. You look tired even when you're not. Dark circles make you look older, weaker, and less attractive. And no, it's not just about sleep. What you're doing wrong. You're dehydrated and your circulation under your eyes is poor. Most guys don't drink enough water, and they're consuming too much salt. That causes fluid retention, which leads to puffiness and dark shadows under your eyes. Here's the fix. Drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Cut back on sodium. No processed foods, no fast food. Every morning, ice your under eyes for 5 minutes. Use a cold spoon or a gel eye mask. The cold constricts blood vessels and reduces puffiness instantly. Get a caffeine-based eye cream and apply it twice a day. And sleep on your back. When you sleep on your side or stomach, fluid pools under your eyes overnight. If you want to take your facial features to the next level beyond just skin, check the link in the description for more strategies that actually work. Problem 4. Oily skin that never goes away. Your face is shiny by noon. You're constantly blotting oil, and no matter how much you wash, it comes back. What you're doing wrong. You think your skin is oily, so you're stripping it with harsh cleansers. But here's the truth. Oily skin is actually dehydrated skin. When your skin lacks moisture, it overproduces oil to compensate. Here's the fix. Stop overwashing your face. Twice a day is enough. Morning and night. Use a gentle pH-balanced cleanser. After cleansing, immediately apply a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. Do this for 2 weeks, and your oil production will normalize. Your face will stop looking shiny, and your skin will feel balanced. Problem 5. Acne scars and uneven texture. Your acne is gone, but the scars remain. Your skin looks rough, bumpy, and uneven. And makeup or creams aren't cutting it. What you're doing wrong. You're not doing anything to stimulate collagen production. Acne scars are indentations in your skin caused by a loss of collagen. If you're just using topical creams, you're not addressing the root issue. Here's the fix. Microneedling. Get a 0.5mm derma roller and use it once a week. Roll it over your scars in different directions. The tiny needles create micro-injuries that force your body to produce new collagen. Pair it with a vitamin C serum immediately after rolling. In 8 to 12 weeks, your scars will fade significantly. Your skin will look smoother, tighter, and more even. Problem 6. Dull, lifeless skin. Your skin looks gray, tired, and flat. No glow, no life. You look older than you are. What you're doing wrong. You have a buildup of dead skin cells on the surface. Your skin naturally sheds cells, but if you're not exfoliating, those dead cells pile up and block light from reflecting off your face. Here's the fix. Exfoliate with an AHA like glycolic acid twice a week. AHAS dissolve the bonds between dead skin cells and reveal the fresh glowing skin underneath. And here's the non-negotiable. Wear sunscreen every single day. SPF 30 minimum. UV damage is the #1 cause of dull, aged skin. Even on cloudy days, UV rays damage your skin. Protect it, and you'll look 10 years younger than your peers. Problem 7. Dry, flaky skin. Your skin feels tight, rough, and uncomfortable. You see flakes, especially around your nose and forehead. What you're doing wrong. You're using hot water and harsh soaps that strip your skin's natural oils, and you're probably not moisturizing correctly. Most guys apply moisturizer to dry skin, which doesn't absorb properly. Here's the fix. Wash your face with lukewarm water only. Use a gentle, hydrating cleanser with ceramides or glycerin. Immediately after washing, while your skin is still damp, apply a thick moisturizer. Use something with shea butter or squalane for deep hydration. Within a week, the flakiness will disappear. Problem 8. Redness and irritation. Your skin is always red, sensitive, and reactive. Products that work for other guys make your face burn. What you're doing wrong. You're using too many active ingredients at once. Retinol, salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide. Layering all of these is destroying your skin barrier. Here's the fix. Simplify your routine. Strip it down to 3 things: a gentle cleanser, a basic moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. Give your skin 2 weeks to heal. Once your skin calms down, you can slowly reintroduce one active ingredient at a time. Start with a low concentration and use it only twice a week. Problem 9. Enlarged pores. Your pores are so big you can see them from across the room. Your skin looks rough and uneven. What you're doing wrong: your pores are clogged with oil and dead skin, which stretches them out. Here's the fix. Use a BHA exfoliant like salicylic acid 3 times a week. Follow up with niacinamide serum. Niacinamide regulates oil production and tightens pores over time. And once a week, use a clay mask. Do this consistently for a month and your pores will look noticeably smaller. Problem 10. Premature aging and wrinkles. You're in your 20s or 30s, but your skin already has fine lines. Your forehead, around your eyes, your mouth. Wrinkles are showing up way too early. What you're doing wrong: you're not protecting your skin from the sun, and you're probably not getting enough sleep. UV damage breaks down collagen and elastin, which are what keep your skin firm and youthful. And when you're only sleeping 5 or 6 hours a night, your body doesn't have time to repair the damage from the day. Here's the fix. Wear sunscreen every single day. No excuses. SPF 30 minimum, even when it's cloudy. UV rays penetrate through clouds and windows. They're aging you whether you feel it or not. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Your body produces growth hormone during deep sleep, which repairs your skin and builds collagen. Use a retinol cream 3 times a week at night. Retinol is the gold standard for anti-aging. It speeds up cell turnover and boosts collagen production. Start with a low concentration, 0.25% or 0.5%, and work your way up. Within 3 months, your fine lines will soften and your skin will look tighter and more youthful. Problem 11. Hyperpigmentation and dark spots. You have dark patches on your face, maybe from old acne, sun damage, or just uneven skin tone. Your face looks blotchy and aged. What you're doing wrong: you're not treating the root cause, which is excess melanin production. And you're probably making it worse by picking at your skin or not wearing sunscreen. Every time you pick at a pimple or go outside without protection, you're triggering more pigmentation. Here's the fix. Stop picking at your skin. Every time you do, you're creating inflammation, which leads to more dark spots. Use a vitamin C serum every morning. Vitamin C inhibits melanin production and brightens your skin over time. Apply it after cleansing and before sunscreen. At night, use a product with alpha-arbutin or kojic acid. These ingredients target hyperpigmentation directly and fade dark spots. And again, sunscreen is non-negotiable. UV exposure makes dark spots darker. Protect your skin, and within 6 to 8 weeks, you'll see your skin tone even out. Problem 12. Razor burn and ingrown hairs. Every time you shave, your skin gets irritated. Red bumps, ingrown hairs, burning sensation. It looks terrible and it's painful. What you're doing wrong: you're shaving with a dull razor, using too much pressure, or shaving against the grain. And you're probably not prepping your skin properly before you shave. Here's the fix. Always shave after a hot shower. The steam opens your pores and softens your facial hair, making it easier to cut. Use a sharp razor. Replace your blade every 5 to 7 shaves. Apply a quality shaving cream or gel, not just soap. Shave with the grain, not against it. Going against the grain gives you a closer shave, but it also increases irritation and ingrown hairs. After shaving, rinse with cold water to close your pores, then apply an alcohol-free aftershave balm with aloe or witch hazel. This soothes your skin and prevents inflammation. If you get ingrown hairs, exfoliate with a BHA exfoliant twice a week. It clears out the pores and prevents hairs from getting trapped under the skin. Problem 13. Puffy face and lack of definition. Your face looks bloated. No jawline definition, no cheekbone structure. You look soft and undefined even if you're not overweight. What you're doing wrong? You're retaining water because of your diet. Too much sodium, too many carbs, not enough water. Your body holds on to water when you're dehydrated or eating processed foods. And if you're drinking alcohol regularly, that's making it worse. Alcohol dehydrates you and causes inflammation, which leads to puffiness. Here's the fix. Cut back on sodium. No processed foods, no fast food, no salty snacks, no alcohol. Drink at least 10 glasses of water a day. It sounds counterintuitive, but drinking more water actually reduces water retention. Your body stops holding onto water when it knows it's getting enough. Do facial exercises. Chew gum for 20 minutes a day to work your jaw muscles. Do chin tucks and neck stretches to tighten the area under your jaw. Within 2 weeks, your face will look leaner and more defined. Problem 14. Eczema and chronic dryness. Your skin isn't just dry, it's cracked, itchy, and inflamed. You have patches of eczema that won't go away no matter what you do. What you're doing wrong: you're using products with fragrances and harsh chemicals that irritate your skin, and you're probably not addressing the internal inflammation that's causing the eczema in the first place. Here's the fix. Switch to fragrance-free, hypoallergenic products. Look for cleansers and moisturizers designed for sensitive skin. Avoid anything with sulfates, parabens, or artificial fragrances. Use a thick, emollient moisturizer with colloidal oatmeal or ceramides. Apply it multiple times a day, especially after washing your hands or face. Take an omega-3 supplement. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation from the inside out. Eat more fatty fish like salmon and sardines. And avoid hot showers. They strip your skin's natural oils and make eczema worse. Stick to lukewarm water and keep your showers short. Within a few weeks, your eczema will calm down and your skin will feel more comfortable. Your skin reflects your lifestyle. Fix the foundation first. Diet, sleep, stress, then products actually work. Stop waiting. Start fixing. Ready to level up? Subscribe and check the link in the description.